Jimmy. Today I would like to share with you how to make rice powder. Normally we make rice powder from uncooked sticky rice. But if you don't have sticky rice, you can use any uncooked rice that you have in your kitchens. When we make rice powder, we just dry fry rice like that until it becomes brown. But today I will add some herbs into it. I have half cup of uncooked sticky rice and kaffir lime leaf and a few slices of galangal. I'm going to tear this leaf off like that. This one I'm just going to tear like that. So then I'm going to fry it. Turn the gas on and the rice in. I will keep stirring like this until the rice gets a little bit brown, and then I'll put the herbs in. You can see now the rice starts to get slightly brown, so I'm going to put the herbs in now. Oh, I can smell a nice fragrance. Keep frying like this until the galangal and kaffir lime leaf are dry. The color will change to get a little bit brown. Alright, that's kind of the color that I'm looking for. So I'm going to turn the gas off and I'm going to leave it in here to let it cool down a bit before I pound it. It's ready to pound. Go in. I think that's about right. It's ready. That's what it looked like. If you like more powder than this, you can make it more powdery, but I like it like that. Rice powder.